The Arctic fox. The Arctic fox, also known as the white fox, polar fox, or snow fox, is a small fox native to the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere and common throughout the Arctic tundra biome. It is well adapted to living in cold environments, and is best known for its thick, warm fur that is also used as camouflage. In the wild, most individuals do not live past their first year, but some exceptional ones survive up to 11 years. Its body length ranges from 46 to 68 centimeters, with a generally rounded body shape to minimize the escape of body heat. The Arctic fox preys on many small creatures such as lemmings, voles, ringed seal pups, fish, waterfowl, and seabirds. It also eats carrion, berries, seaweed, and insects and other small invertebrates. Arctic foxes form monogamous pairs during the breeding season, and they stay together to raise their young in complex underground dens. Occasionally, other family members may assist in raising their young. Natural predators of the Arctic fox are golden eagles, polar bears, wolverines, red foxes, wolves, and grizzly bears. Behavior. Arctic foxes must endure a temperature difference of up to 90 to 100 degrees Celsius between the external environment and their internal core temperature. To prevent heat loss, the Arctic fox curls up tightly, tucking its legs and head under its body and behind its furry tail. This position gives the fox the smallest surface area to volume ratio and protects the least insulated areas. Arctic foxes also stay warm by getting out of the wind and residing in their dens. Although the Arctic foxes are active year-round and do not hibernate, they attempt to preserve fat by reducing their locomotor activity. They build up their fat reserves in the autumn, sometimes increasing their body weight by more than 50%. This provides greater insulation during the winter and a source of energy when food is scarce. Adaptations. The Arctic fox lives in some of the most frigid extremes on the planet, but they do not start to shiver until the temperature drops to -70 degrees Celsius. Among its adaptations for survival in the cold is its dense, multi-layered pelage, which provides excellent insulation. Additionally, the Arctic fox is the only canid whose footpads are covered in fur. There are two genetically distinct coat color morphs, white and blue. The white morph has seasonal camouflage, white in winter and brown along the back with light gray around the abdomen in summer. The blue morph is often a dark blue, brown, or gray color year-round. Although the blue allele is dominant over the white allele, 99% of the Arctic fox population is the white morph. Two similar mutations to MC1R cause the blue color and the lack of seasonal color change. The fur of the Arctic fox provides the best insulation of any mammal. The fox has a low surface area to volume ratio, as evidenced by its generally compact body shape, short muzzle and legs, and short, thick ears. Since less of its surface area is exposed to the Arctic cold, less heat escapes from its body. Sensory modalities. The Arctic fox has a functional hearing range between 125 Hz to 16 kHz with a sensitivity that is 60 dB in air, and an average peak sensitivity of 24 dB at 4 kHz. Overall, the Arctic fox's hearing is less sensitive than the dog and the kit fox. The Arctic fox and the kit fox have a low upper frequency limit compared to the domestic dog and other carnivores. The Arctic fox can easily hear lemmings burrowing under 4 to 5 inches of snow. When it has located its prey, it pounces and punches through the snow to catch its prey. The Arctic fox also has a keen sense of smell. They can smell carcasses that are often left by polar bears anywhere from 10 to 40 kilometers. It is possible that they use their sense of smell to also track down polar bears. Additionally, Arctic foxes can smell and find frozen lemmings under 46 to 77 centimeters of snow, and can detect a subnivean seal layer under 150 centimeters of snow. Size. The average head and body length of the male is 55 centimeters, with a range of 46 to 68 centimeters, while the female averages 52 centimeters with a range of 41 to 55 centimeters. In some regions, no difference in size is seen between males and females. The tail is about 30 centimeters long in both sexes. The height at the shoulder is 25 to 30 centimeters. On average, males weigh 3.5 kilograms, with a range of 3.2 to 9.4 kilograms, while females average 2.9 kilograms, with a range of 1.4 to 3.2 kilogram. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.